At Ottawa Interlock Repair, we exist for one thing: to repair. We're like vandals, but the opposite. Instead of mindless chaos, we plant calm. We push back against the entropy of our modern world to create safe and sustainable spaces for all. If you think about it, we're reverse vandals. This is our first official act of reverse vandalism, repairing a pothole the city tried to fix on our street. We would love it if you could nominate someone you know for some reverse vandalism, as we would love to help out some seniors, people with disabilities, or others who need a small and loving act of vandalism, or reverse vandalism, to reduce hazards and make them feel safe at home again.